We're going to create this flowchart with the set name to Bob and then output the name, which turns into this pseudocode here, name equals Bob, then print name in PHP. So I'm going to hop over to the PHP file. Let's delete everything that we've got in there, leave the PHP tags. Now a variable in PHP always begins with the $, so $name equals Bob and a semicolon at the end of the line, and we've now managed the first line, the first box, the process. Now we're going to output it, and there's two ways of outputting in PHP, one that I use constantly and one that I very rarely use. Now the one that I very rarely use matches this sort of exactly. It's the print statement. So I could write print name and then put a semicolon at the end. So if I save that and then jump back over to the server page and reload it, we have an error. So let's take a look at why we got the error. Oh, because I didn't put the $sign in front for the variable. So let's run that again, and there we go. And we've got Bob using print, and the preferred method that I want is called echo. So this will produce exactly the same. Well, let's make an error so that we can see it. Let's take the $sign off because we know that's going to give us an error, and refresh the page. There's our error, just to see that this is actually working and we're not looking at the last version. So I've changed that back to correct, so I'm echoing the name to the screen. So I reload that and we get our Bob just as we did with print. So PHP has two methods for doing this print. It's got the word print and it's got the word echo. I prefer echo. That is up to you. There is reasons for each one, but too complicated at the time being.